Today I am going to show you a recipe for mainly for children but for everybody also. That is kurkure in tomato flavor. It is a very good recipe as the main point is that I have not added any maida in it and any unnecessary flavors and all. So everybody will like it, even young or old or anybody. So let us see what all ingredients we need for the same. Rice powder. This is rice powder. This is basin. This is wheat powder. Little butter. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Salt to taste. Little coconut milk powder. And finally little tomato puree. These are the masalas to be added after preparing kurkure, frying kurkure items. This is garam masala and little chili powder and little pepper powder, and this is fine thinned sugar. This sugar should be grinded in a mixie into powder stage. Now let us start mixing. First, add the rice flour towards a basin. Yes. Next, we'll add the basin. Next, the wheat flour. Next, the baking soda, half a teaspoon. Now next, salt according to taste, little salt. And finally, we'll keep this aloof afterwards. Yes, we'll add this tomato puree also towards it and just mix it properly. In order to make a dough, first we have to mix like this, little watery style, and then you have to put it in a pan and get cooked and make a dough out of it. When the water content has evaporated, it will just form a dough. So like that you have to prepare. Yes. Now I have preheated the pan, and now towards the pan let us just transfer this dough. Yeah, and start steaming it. You heat it till it gets a solid, to some extent solid shape. Now start stirring it. You go on, stir it continuously. You should not stop. See, it starts concentrating. It's really very easy to prepare. Each and every people can prepare it. It's not that big, a big item like that. Now we'll add that coconut milk powder towards it and once again mix it. Yes, now we'll just keep it for cooling for a while. Yes, now we shifted and see, now the dough is in this style. Now we'll just start it pressing it and making into a ball shape. In between, we'll add little more coconut milk powder and then mix it once again. Now the dough is ready. Now we'll just see how soft it is. Now we'll take small portions out of it and just with both of your hand we'll make small ball out of it, and then we'll just flatten it according to your taste and all. That is your whims and fancy. You can flatten it in whichever way you want, whichever shape you want. I have made this shape like that. You have to make the whole dough into like stick style. Now you can go on, do it till the complete dough is prepared in that way. Now we'll start frying all these dough items. Yeah, we'll just fry it. Yes, like this. It's very easy to do it, and it gets fried very fast also. We'll fry. We'll take one portion, two portion like that. Yeah, you just mix it this way, that way, and in between the gas should be on a medium flame. When you start pouring into it, it should be in high flame and then to a medium flame. Now it's almost fried up. Similarly, we'll fry the others also. Now the fried kurkure is ready. Now we'll start mixing these masalas. First, garam masala. And next, red chili powder. And next, pepper powder. And finally, the sugar, crushed sugar. Now we'll just mix it nicely, and little salt is added, little salt. Now we'll just mix it very nicely so that it gets mixed properly. You use both your hands for this, then only it gets mixed up very nicely. Now finally our kurkure is ready. See how crispy it is.
Wow, so crispy. It tastes like original kurkure. Everybody, please try it home. My uncle is indeed a good chef. So, keep following Rao's Tasty Kitchen, Suresh Rao's Tasty Kitchen. So, thank you. Have a great day ahead.